All right, let's move on now to our next big one, the small Detel Pro Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Now this is quite incredible. I mean, think about it. What's the single greatest problem that people have been facing? First of all, getting SpO2 monitors itself is a big problem, right? I mean, they're just not available. And then you get fairly tacky ones priced at 1,500, 2,000 rupees. Guess how much this one is for? 299 rupees.
Ever since our fight against the COVID-19 pandemic began, three things have been at the forefront: masks, sanitizers, and SpO2 monitors or oximeters. Tracking our oxygen levels regularly can give us an edge in our fight against coronavirus. Unfortunately, the cost and availability of these devices usually keeps a large chunk of the population away from buying them. Usually they're priced between 1,000 to 3,000 rupees. What if someone could come up with an SpO2 monitor that was priced at 299 rupees? That would mean that many more people could afford it. Well, it has happened. This is from Detel and it is priced 1 rupee less than 300. In terms of the design, this oximeter by Detel looks in line with what you expect from a device of this nature. It is lightweight and portable, which makes it easy to carry around. Surprisingly, the build quality is better than we had expected and the device feels robust. Let's quickly understand how a pulse oximeter actually works. A pulse oximeter is essentially a device that measures the oxygen saturation of the pulsating blood in our body. Oxygen is an indispensable part of our blood and is found in the oxygenated hemoglobin molecules. So, when a pulse oximeter is calculating the oxygen saturation in our blood, it is in fact calculating the percentage of these oxygenated hemoglobin molecules. The working of a pulse oximeter is fairly simple. It uses a light source with red and infrared lights in it that work in sync with a light detector placed opposite to the light source. When a user places their finger between the light source and light detector, these lights pass through their blood, thereby getting absorbed by oxygenated and deoxygenated hemoglobin molecules. Both these types of molecules absorb light at different wavelengths, which makes it easy for the pulse oximeter to differentiate between the two. Finally, the pulse oximeter monitors and displays the ratio of oxygenated hemoglobin molecules, thereby showing oxygen saturation in our blood. What makes these results more reliable is the fact that the circuit of a pulse oximeter considers the finger size, absorbance of tissues and ambient light before showing the results. With that little science lesson out of the way, it is time to test this device by Detel. Placing our index finger in the oximeter, we press the front mounted button and let the device do its job. The result came in fast, the big display shows the information clearly and different colors denote different information. As for the results, the SpO2 monitoring of the device is indeed accurate since we did compare the results with a more expensive counterpart at the same time. The case is similar when it comes to heart rate monitoring, with the device showing fairly accurate results. At 299 rupees, this is a game changer in the fight against COVID-19. We hope more companies bring in products like these that are priced for everyone.
So we were quite okay with the quality of the product, but then we decided, let's talk to the person behind it, Yogesh Bhatia of Detel. So Mr. Bhatia, how have you actually delivered a product for 299 rupees? Either you've compromised on this, or are all the other manufacturers selling at a huge margin in profit?
हम किसी भी किस्म से प्राइस को ध्यान में रखते हुए क्वालिटी में कंप्रोमाइज नहीं करते हैं। मैं ये नहीं कहूंगा अदर ब्रांड्स बहुत ज्यादा मार्जिन लेते हैं, बट हमारी टीम की स्पेशलिटी, हमारी जो सोर्सिंग है, हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर उसकी सोच, एक जिद और एक सोच के साथ हम लोग प्रोडक्ट को करते हैं कि हम प्रोडक्ट को अफोर्डेबल बनाकर masses तक एक अफोर्डेबल प्राइस तक पहुंचा पाएं।
Thank you for joining us on the show, Mr. Bhatia, and I really wish you a lot of luck. I hope a lot of other manufacturers also take a cue from you and do this.